Man, those steps turned out pretty. I like that. We decided to go with a company called RTA. There's a bunch of them, and as you know, our industry is suffering with lead times on things like windows and definitely kitchen cabinets. And these came in 2 weeks from ordering, but they are unassembled. These are a white shaker style. Hopefully, buying these instead of regular pre-assembled cabinets will save us some money and save us some time as far as waiting 3 months to get regular cabinets in. Yay, COVID! The homeowner actually decided to save even more money and took on the challenge of assembling all of her own cabinets. She did a really excellent job and it turned out great. We've got everything swept out over here, and we're fixing to use this 1x material on the floor so that we get the exact spacing that we need for our flooring that's coming in. And that way we can lift the cabinets up. The flooring is already here, and move forward. What we do is this stuff and put it on these different corners of the cabinets. We're starting with this corner cabinet because everything lines up off of it. We could have started on one of the ends, but then we might not have been quite right when we got to the corner. So this is just a really good jumping off point to get our elevation and make sure that everything's level all the way around the kitchen from here. We're using 1x3s for our shim boards, kind of creating a highway for the cabinets to set on. And you'll notice that I'm pulling a number out to 21 inches off the sheetrock here, and that's so that the 1x material stays a little bit underneath the toe kick area of the cabinet. I don't want it out into the floor at all. I would like to be able to run my flooring back and under a little bit so the expansion joint is actually underneath the cabinet. This is probably the most aggravating part about installing your own cabinets, and you'll figure out your own tricks as you go, but we're working the faces of the cabinet because that's the most important as far as cosmetics goes. You need them all to line up flush. We are pre-drilling our holes before we drive our screws in. The screws that we're using are 2.5 inches, and they are a white trim screw. Therefore, they look great and just start to blend right into the cabinetry. And what I found on this install is you can start your screws in the back, locating your studs with a stud finder, but you don't want to tighten them all the way up. You want to start working those faces and then go back and tighten up your screws into the wall to keep everything like you want it. Otherwise, you're just kind of working against yourself a little bit. If you've been following the channel, you know that we had to modify this chimney chase. The framer made it slightly small for the double wall pipe that had to get put up in there. I had to crawl up inside and get this thing to have the right clearance. Got Queen City Sweeps is out to do our wood burning insert today, and I am so happy to see someone else up in that hole instead of me. upper cabinets, and the island is next, along with building the box for the refrigerator. Stay tuned for that. Hope you guys are enjoying these videos, and we hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe.